Visualizing 3D in 2D. Introduction. We are living in a three-dimensional space. Some of the objects around us are in three-dimensional shape. We can differentiate 2D shapes from 3D shapes by observing them. A triangle, square, rectangle are plane figures of 2D dimensions, while a cube, cuboid are solid objects with 3 dimensions. 3D objects made with cubes. We can form solid shapes by arranging 4 unit cubes. If we observe them from different positions, it seems to be different, but the object is same. Similarly, if a solid is viewed from different directions, it appears in different shapes. Representation of 3D figures on 2D. We used to draw 3D figures on 2D paper. Here, we are able to represent only 2 dimensions on the plain paper. Third dimension is only our imagination. In order to overcome this problem, we use isometric dots paper in which we can represent length, breadth and height with exact measurement of 3D solid objects. Example. Identify the number of cubes in the below figure. Solution. There are 3 layers of cubes. In the top layer, there is only 1 cube. In the second layer, there are 3 cubes, 1 is hidden. In the lower layer, there are 6 cubes, 3 are hidden. So, total number of cubes is 1 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 10 cubes. Various geometrical solids. In our surroundings, we see various solid objects. Among them, some solid objects have curved faces and some solid objects have flat faces. Based on this property, we can classify 3D shapes as polyhedra and non-polyhedra. Various geometrical solids. Those solid objects have only flat surfaces, then the solid objects are called polyhedra. Those solid objects have curved faces, then the solid objects are called non-polyhedra. Faces, edges and vertices of 3D objects. The living hall walls, windows, tables and boxes, faces are flat faces. The flat faces meet at its edges. 2 or more edges meet at corners. Each of the corner is called vertex. Regular polyhedra. If 2 objects' faces are congruent and all their edges are equal and vertices are formed by equal number of edges, then such type of solid objects are called regular polyhedra. Prism and pyramid. The solid object with 2 parallel and congruent polygonal faces and lateral faces as rectangles or parallelograms is called a prism. A solid object whose base is a polygon and its lateral faces are triangular faces is called pyramid. A prism or pyramid is named after its shape of parallel and congruent polygonal faces or the base. Triangular prism. If two congruent and parallel faces are triangular and its lateral faces are parallelograms, then it is known as triangular prism. Triangular pyramid. A pyramid whose base is a triangle is called triangular pyramid, and it is also known as tetrahedron. Number of edges, faces, and vertices of polyhedrons. When we count the number of faces, edges, and vertices of a polyhedron, we can conclude that f plus v is equal to e plus 2. Here, f is equal to number of faces, v is equal to number of vertices, e is equal to number of edges. This relationship is called Euler's relation for polyhedra. The relation was first observed by the mathematician Leonhard Euler. Net diagrams. A net is a sort of skeleton outline in 2D, which when folded the net results in 3D shape. We can make prisms, pyramids by using net diagrams. Example. Take a piece of paper and cut into a triangle. Mark the vertices as O1, O2, O3 and identify the midpoints of sides as A, B and C. Fold the paper along dotted lines AB, BC, CA and raise the fold till the points O1, O2, O3 meet. The object so formed is a pyramid. The diagram O1, O2, O3 is a net diagram of the pyramid.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.